there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Goodiebox. Okay, so let's open this sucker up. We have a discount voucher for 25% off your next order at ecooking.com. So if y'all want to make use out of this, here you go. Make sure to take a screenshot. There we go. And you could get 25% off. Okay, moving on. The I'm Feeling Myself box from Goodiebox. I won't be sorry for doing what makes me feel good. This is all great and dandy, but we still don't have a freaking booklet. I'm really annoyed by this, and I'm pretty much afraid that this is going to be permanent, that, you know, this is what they're going to do from now on. If so, I'm seriously going to end my subscription because I really want a booklet here. I don't want to look it up online and whatever. I know everybody's like, we're saving the environment, blah, blah. I don't need an entire booklet. Just a leaflet like this would be great with at least the prices of the items and just to know if they're full size or not, especially for the sake of these videos. Because again, this is the inside of the box, but I have no idea how much products cost. Like I said, lazy YouTuber, so I'm not gonna look it up online. You look it up if you really want to know, but it just sucks. Okay. So the first item is from Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. This is body oil in lavender. And this is actually great because lavender actually is supposed to help you fall asleep. So this is awesome. Again, don't know the worth. I don't even know if this is a full size or not. Again, look it up online. Okay, I think this is going to be a very fast video. So moving on from Evoluder. How the hell do you pronounce this? Okay, this is the brand. I have no idea how to pronounce that. And this is something that I do not speak this language. Dry and damaged feet. Smoothing foot scrub. Oh, exfoliates and softens shea butter and volcanic rock particles. But you know what? As y'all know, my mom has some severe dry feet, and you know, it's really an issue with her. I don't necessarily, and I don't really use foot scrubs, but I do know that my mom loves like the rocks, you know, that you can get to scrub your feet. So I'm going to give this to her. Did I show you guys? I'm not really sure, but this is what that little sucker looks like. And actually going to give it to her because she suffers from dryness and crustiness of the feet. So it sounds so disgusting when I say crustiness, but I guess y'all understand what I mean. And like crusty is like dirty crusty, but crusty in the sense of like dry skin. So I'm going to give that to her. Okay, moving on. Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray. Long lasting from, that's the baby, from Koki. And actually, I'm not wearing any setting spray, so let's just try it out immediately. I'm always afraid I'm going to get it in my hair because once I got it in my hair, it was not a good time. Let me tell you. Ooh, the spritzer is nice, but it is quite harsh. It's definitely not the MAC spritzer that I'm used to, or Urban Decay or something. This is definitely a bit harsher, but it's okay. Like, it's not bad at all. It says a clear fine mist that prevents makeup from settling and smudging and helps reduce shine. After applying makeup, shake well, hold about 6 to 10 inches from face, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we all know how to use it, and this clearly is not a full size. I mean, this is so freaking small, but it is great for travel purposes. So, you know what? I'm going to try it out today. I'm actually going to leave the house with the baby, and I'm going to see. And you know what? If this is amazing, then this is great, like I said, for travel purposes, and I'm going to put it in my travel bag. Moving on to something in a satchel that is pretty hard to open. Oh, it's a Moshi Mind roller, and it's actually really bad that I put it on my skin because I didn't even disinfect this. Great. And I actually have makeup on, but I actually own one of these, and I actually have a green one as well. So yeah. There is a little leaflet in here, but I usually use this before applying my cream. So when I wash my face, when my face is completely clean and dry, before I put any lotion, any cream, any stuff on my face, I like to, you know, go around with the smaller part, nose, under eye area, you name it. Be careful underneath the eye, by the way. Anyway, I like to do that before, and then afterwards I apply my creams and then my makeup and you name it. But it's pretty neat that it's in here. Okay, last item in the box. A box is empty, and this is from Mask Me Up, the hemp sheet mask. It's vegan. It's regenerating and nourishing facial sheet mask. And as y'all know, I love me a good mask. I was wearing a sheet mask yesterday that we received in a box along the way, and clearly I'm going to use this fella as well. Okay, very short video, I know, but like I said, I don't have the booklet to these items, so I don't know the price of the items, but I really do enjoy it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and 1 item I'm going to give away to my mom, but the rest I'm definitely going to use. Okay guys, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. My baby is screaming, so I have to go. Leave in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this particular box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!